Hello and welcome back once again to the GeForce IT Service Academy. This is the lesson 28 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So in lesson 27, we dealt with how to design our fees payment user form. So in this lesson, we are going to learn the various formulas that can help us to do the calculation for the number of male and the number of female students that we have in each class. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you will be able to receive the notification and you watch that particular video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends to also benefit from it. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to check the description of this video for more videos on how to develop a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So without wasting much time, we have our student detail sheet here. This is where we are going to insert the formulas that can help us to get the number of female students and the number of male students that we have in our school. We need to insert all these formulas so that they can help our system to automatically calculate the number of male students we have in each class and the number of female students we have in each class. And the system should also be able to calculate the total number of students that we have in each class. So let's just scroll to the down where we inserted the various headings for the various classes, the gender and the rest. So let's just scroll to the last end. Then we begin to insert our formulas there without any stress and without any problem. So at the bottom here, this is where we have our various column heads. We have the KG1, the KG2, the basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, up to basic 9. Then we have the male total, the female total, then the last one is the grand total, like this. All right, so let's just begin to insert our formulas without wasting much time. So we are going to start with the KG1, the male section here. Let's just press the equal to. So we want the system to count if the detail that we enter into the system is a male or a female. So if it is a male, we want this formula that we enter here to count it as 1. If the detail that we enter onto the student detail sheet here, if it belongs to a male student, we want the system to count it as 1. Then if it is a female student, we want the system to count it as 1 or 2 or whatever. So please pay attention to this particular video. Right, so let's just scroll to the last end of this particular student detail sheet. Then let's locate our various classes and our various genders here. So we have them here like this. So what we are going to do is to enter an equal sign here. Then we insert our formula like this: count if s. So we even have it at the down here, count if s. So you double tap on it like this, then a new bracket will open. So what we are going to do is to go back to the student detail sheet like this. Then we go to class. We are going to use the class and the gender to insert these formulas here so that we can be able to get our totals calculated by the system without any challenge. So we are going to use the class section and then the gender section. Okay, so let's just select the first cell here. So cell C2 is going to be the first cell that can carry information, or that can carry the details of a particular student. That is going to be the first cell that is going to carry all the details of a particular student. So let's just select the first cell like this. So it is selected. So let's go to the last end. Let's go to the bottom and do some other things there. So we will continue inserting our formulas here. So we have that one there. So let's press shift on our keyboard, then we insert a column like that. So it is there. So now let's scroll to the last end. We are developing this system for 500 students. That is our target. So we are developing this particular system for 500 students. So where can we locate the column for the class? So it is the first one appearing there. So let's go to the last one here. So you just tap on this one like this, and you see that the whole column is selected without wasting much time. So let's just go to this side. So we are doing that thing for KG1. We are doing it for only KG1. Okay, so comma like this, then you bring inverted commas here like this, then you enter KG1. Please make sure that you enter it the way it is appearing on the Excel sheet here, on the student data sheet here. If you enter a different thing, then it is not going to work. Sorry, let me just change this thing. It's not GK, it's KG. So KG1 like that. Please make sure that it tallies with what we have on the student detail sheet there. Okay, so let's go comma like this. So we are now going to the gender side. We are going to use the class column and then the gender column. So let's scroll to the top there again, then we locate gender. So we have gender here. So the first cell that we have under the gender here is going to be cell D2. That is going to be the first cell that is going to carry somebody's data. This particular cell is going to be the first cell here that is going to carry somebody's gender. So let's just select the cell D2 like that. Then we scroll to the last end of this data entry sheet. Okay, so we have it like that. So let's just insert a column like this. So let's scroll to the last end. Again, we are developing this system for 500 students. Again, we are developing this system for 500 students. Okay, so to fast track everything, let's just scroll to the last end quickly. Then we click on the last one here like this. So you can see that everything here is selected. Okay, so let's just go to the bottom here. Good. So we have this one too up and running there. We have this one too up and running there. Okay, so comma, then you bring another inverted commas here like this, and in here we are going to indicate that it's a male. We are going to indicate that this formula is for male students in KG1, only in KG1. So we are telling the system that any detail that we enter into this sheet, any detail that we enter into this system that belongs to KG1, and that detail happen to belong to a particular male student, the system should count it as number 1 for us. So let's just write male like this. So you bring another inverted commas here like this, then we can close our bracket now. So when we hit enter and we enter any detail into this system, it should be able to count it for us. So currently we don't have any detail in the system that belong to any male student, so you can see that there is 0 there. Okay, so let's just try something. Let's just try something by entering some detail into this particular system, and let's enter that detail as KG1. So KG1 like this. Then let's say the gender here is male. Let's say the gender there is male. So let's just hit enter, and let's come to the bottom here, and let's see what is going to happen. So let's check that one and see. So it means our system is working perfectly. So you can see 1 there. It means the system was able to do the counting for us without any stress and without any problem. So please make sure that the name that you use on the Excel sheet here matches with the one that you have in the system. Please make sure that you do the right thing. Okay, so let's just try to enter another detail again. So KG1, Then let's say that the gender is male. Good. So let's just hit enter. Let's go back to the formulas. Let's go back to the last end there and see what is happening. So you can see 2 there. So it means we have 2 people in KG1, and those people happen to be male students. Okay, so it means the system is working perfectly without any stress and without any problem. Now, this is not the only thing that we are going to do. We are going to do for female. We are going to do for all the classes, the males and the female students in each class. So without wasting much time, let's just come to the top here and let's copy this formula here. Let's just copy it like this. Good. So let's copy that formula like that. Control C to copy. Then we move. We come to this side. Let's just undo that action. Let's undo that action. Good. So we come to this side. You press equal to sign. Then Control V to paste. Okay. So now this one is no longer going for males. It's going for female. So let's just change this one to female. Let's change it to female. Sorry, female, like this. So let's just hit enter. So let's close this bracket here like this. Then we hit enter. Good. So we can see 0 there. It means we don't have any detail in the system that belongs to any female student in KG1. Okay, so let's scroll to KG2 here. So the male section here, because we have already copied the same formula from this side to this side, and it is moving from this side again to the male in KG2. So you bring your equal to sign like this, then Control V to paste. Then please don't forget to change the name from KG1 to KG2. So KG2 like this. Now we are doing it for male. Good. So we hit enter. Then we have that one to there. So you can see the 0 there. Now let's go to female in KG2. So you bring your equal to sign like this. You Control V to paste like this. Sorry, you Control V to paste like this. Then you change this one to KG2. Please don't forget to change the names before you proceed to the next one. So this one here is for females in KG2. So females like this. So you hit enter. Then we have that one too there. Wow. Okay, so let's go to basic 1. So you bring your equal to sign like this. Then you Control V to paste this formula. So this one is basic 1. So let's just change the name from KG1 to basic 1. So basic 1 like this. Okay, so basic 1 like that. Then we maintain the male there. So let's just bring this one back a little bit. I think we are good to go. So let's just hit enter. No, there is a problem somewhere. So let's just clear all this here. Let's just clear everything. Good. So let's insert our equal to sign again. Then we Control V to paste our formula like this. I think we should go back to this side here. So let's copy the new formula from this side. Let's exclude the equal to sign like this. So Control C to copy. Then we come to basic 1 male. Okay, so let's just skip this. Good. So let's come to this side, equal to sign, then Control V to paste. So we are working on the male students in this particular class. So it's no longer KG2, it's now basic 1. So let's just clear everything here. So basic 1 like this. So when we hit enter, we should be able to see 0 here. Okay, so let's just Control C to copy the formula here. So let's come to the top here. Let's just copy this formula here. Please, let's make sure that we exclude the equal to sign at the top there. So Control C to copy. Good. So now let's come to this side. Let's skip that side. So let's come to the female section. Then we insert our equal to sign. Then Control V to paste. So now please don't forget that we are dealing with the female side of this particular formula. So female, like this. So when we hit enter, we should be able to see 0 there. All right, so because we don't want this video to be long, we don't want this tutorial to be long, we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 29. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel as you wait for lesson 29. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.